How to add your bank account to Venmo. Need to add your bank account to Venmo. It's a quick process. This video shows you how to do it in under 60 seconds. If you're not already logged in, head to the Venmo website and log into your account. Hover your mouse over your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear and here is what to do next. Tap on Settings, then click Payment Method. Under Payment Methods, you'll see options to add a bank or card. Tap on Add Bank or Card and choose Bank on both. Now enter your bank routing number and account number. You can usually find this information on a physical check or your online banking portal. Double check the routing number and account number for accuracy. In some cases, you might be prompted to enter your bank login credentials to securely link your account. Venmo will never ask for your full password. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to your Venmo account on both the app and website. You can use it to transfer funds to and from your bank, or pay bills where available, and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Venmo tips and tricks.